Here's what we love about the 2021 Volvo XC90's user-friendly cabin. Volvo realized early on that the family SUV market was going to be a lucrative one. The Swedish car manufacturer spotted the gap in the market back in the early 2000s, and it has been cashing in on it ever since. Volvo's XC90 has been the industry benchmark since its introduction in 2002, and it remains one of the best SUVs around. It's fair to say that, with so many rave reviews, the XC90 is one of Sweden's most popular exports. Along with the likes of IKEA, Meatballs, ABBA, and Spotify, Volvo has been attracting buyers and fans from all over the world. As you might expect from something designed in Sweden, the XC90 is as stylish and elegant as any SUV on the road. The Volvo XC90 has some awesome features. The Volvo XC90 is a 3-row midsize SUV that has options to seat either 6 or 7 people. As many readers might expect from a Volvo, the XC90 comes with a ton of safety features. Many of these features have been added as standard for the 2021 edition. Just some of the safety features include adaptive cruise control and cruise control steering assist, lane assist, blind spot warning, and driver monitoring. There is even a 360-view camera system to get the XC90 out of a tight spot without hitting anything. This midsize SUV is practical for all events, offering 15.8 cubic feet of cargo space behind the third row. Those third-row seats fold down with the greatest of ease to boost the cargo space to 41.8 cubic feet. Volvo has considered passengers from the front row to the third, which is why there are vents for all 3 rows. Passengers in the second row even get their own climate control options and, something every modern car needs, USB ports. The 2021 Volvo XC90 comes in 3 different trim levels: the base Momentum, Sporty R design, and Luxury Inscription. The user-friendly cabin is the best feature of the 2021 Volvo XC90. It's not just on the outside that the 2021 XC90 is a beautifully designed SUV. The interior is well thought out from the back to the front, with the main highlight being found in the driver's cabin. This Volvo's cabin is designed in a minimalist way with few distractions to keep your attention on the road. However, when taking a moment to look around the cabin, it's clear it's a thing of beauty. Let's start with the real wood panels that add an elegant contrast to the rest of the interior. Too often cars throw in some wood effect panels to seem stylish but don't use the real thing. The 2021 Volvo XC90 uses real wood paneling that feels as solid as it looks. Thanks to the panoramic sunroof, which is optional, the entire cabin is lit up for everyone inside to appreciate. However, with a generous amount of privacy glass, those in the back don't have to worry about being spotted. There is a 12 inches digital speed dial screen behind the steering wheel with a map feature to guide you along without intruding. The infotainment system allows drivers full control of the vehicle's functions at the press of a button. It will also connect to a smartphone and change driving modes if required. Comfort is king, and the sporty leather seats in the XC90 are relaxing without being too stiff, which is essential on long journeys. With a heated steering wheel and heated seats, you might find yourself wanting to stay in the XC90 long after your journey is completed. It's easy to enjoy the silence or get into the latest podcasts while driving in the XC90 thanks to the minimal cabin noise. Add in some responsive steering and suspension that eats bumps for fun, and you're looking at one of the most comfortable SUVs around. For some extra thrills, Dynamic Mode can be engaged with moves the XC90 much faster than you might expect a 3-row SUV to go. Volvo XC90 price and specs. The XC90 could do with a bit more range in the hybrid, but other than that it's a great choice for families. The 2021 XC90 comes with a 2.0-liter turbo 316 horsepower engine, which makes it competent no matter the driving conditions. With a little help from the optional hybrid engine, the XC90's power can be boosted to 385 horsepower. The standard XC90 offers a combined MPG of 22 and has a maximum towing capacity of 5,000 pounds. Prices for the base Momentum model begin at $49,900 and reach $64,695 for the top-end Inscription. Volvo fans looking for a hybrid SUV will be expected to pay a minimum of $63,800 for the Recharge edition. There is also the option to use Volvo's subscription service on the 2021 XC90, which gives drivers a flexible term with one regular monthly payment. Subscription fees start from $925 per month for the XC90. Our verdict on the Volvo XC90. Volvo has been known for its incredible safety features for decades, and that legacy continues with the 2021 XC90. There are a ton of safety features installed to make driving the iconic Volvo easier than ever. Parents looking to keep their families safe on our busy roads know they can turn to Volvo's impressive range to do just that. The 2021 Volvo XC90 offers more than safety features, however, and it's a truly luxurious experience. With room for up to 7 people, it's the ideal choice for large families who clock plenty of miles. It is competitively priced, and for anyone who wishes for an easy ride that's super dependable, the 2021 Volvo XC90 should be high on their list.